I bought the first Jordan release in 2020. It's inside of this box. Picked this up from GOAT, so shout out to GOAT with instant ship for this package right here. I'm excited to take a look at this pair of sneakers. Tomorrow, I will talk about resale on this sneaker. This sneaker does release this Saturday, unreleased as of right now. I'm excited to take a look at this Jordan 1. And speaking about Jordan 1s, I'm actually giving away a pair of Court Purple 2.0 Jordan 1s over on Instagram. To enter this giveaway, all you guys need to do is hit that subscribe button down below, hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below in the comments, and at the end of your comment, leave your Instagram, your email, just a way for me to get in contact with you. Subscribe here on YouTube to Tim TV. I'll leave his link down below in the description. Then go over to Instagram, give us both a follow. Check out the post with me holding this pair of Jordan 1s, and on that post, just like the post, tag 2 friends, and that is it. You are entered. As of right now, this Jordan 1 is unreleased. It does release this Saturday. You guys know by the title and thumbnail. Let's get straight into these Jordan 1s. I'm very excited, man. This is a very, 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 in my opinion, underrated Jordan 1. I feel like a lot of people are not gonna be a fan of this sneaker. I feel like a lot of people are gonna cop it, right? It's definitely gonna sell out, but I think a lot of people are just going to want to resell it. And for that reason, stay tuned for the resale video. Trust me, you're not gonna want to miss it. This Jordan 1, man, I'm hyped for. Shout out to GOAT with the instant ship. These did come actually from overseas, and they did come. I ordered them on Sunday. Today is now Thursday. Not that bad. Not bad at all. I did pay a premium, of course. It's for you guys with content. So right here, we do have a pair size 10. A 10 was a little bit cheaper, so I did go with a size 10. We have the GOAT sticker, Jordan 1 box. Let's see what we got. I'm excited for these, man. The first release of 2021. We have a ton of sneakers releasing this year. I'm really excited. Let me know down below in the comments, what sneakers are you excited for to release this year? Me, I like this release. I also like the UNC ones. I think those are fire. Absolutely straight fire. The UNC 4s. There's a bunch of good releases dropping 2021. Don't forget about the, off-white bread 4s. Hopefully releasing this year. We got a bunch of great stuff that's supposed to be releasing 2021. I'm excited for this year. And I'm excited for this release. These are much better in person. Wow. So right here we do have the GOAT card. It's black. Usually this is white. Ooh. Wow. The Jordan 1 Vault Gold. I like these, man. These are absolutely sick in person. They really do pop. So here they are, the Vault Gold Air Jordan 1 that does release this Saturday, January 9th. 2021. This is a very, very dope shoe. I like these a lot. You do have very sick details. Let's go through them. You have black and white leather, and I will tell you this much. The leather on the toe is a little different than normal. If you can see, there's like a flap here that you can literally pull up with extra material. I guess it's stitched lower than normal, like it is on most Jordan 1s, or all other Jordan 1s, I should say. The tongue is sail. It's not white. The white is for the toe, the leather material, but you do have a sail tongue, and the tongue tag is different than normal. It's actually reversed. You have the Nike Air on the inside, and on the outside is the information, like made in China, and all the writing. That's usually on the inside of the sneaker, is on the outside. They actually flipped it. That's pretty dope. That's something I've never seen them do before. And it's also plastic material. It's not even nylon or mesh or any other type of material, leather they've been using. No, man, this is actually straight up plastic, which I'm not necessarily a fan of, but it's still Nike Air nonetheless. I do like the details with the foam, that off-white touch. And then also, if you take a look at the tongue, you see the stitching? It's all that yellow, that Volt stitching, which is sick. That's a sick detail on the tongue. You get the Wings logo in black with the Volt here, which is in this leather material, and it does have a flap to it, so you can actually, change that with the laces, leave it out, whatever you want to do with that, and it's like that on both sides with the flap. And then below the Volt, of course, you have the gold. Volt Gold. You got the Volt, you got the Gold. The Gold is very, 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 I would say, not really gold. I would say it's more like a kind of like a mustard yellow color. I wish it was more gold, to be honest. My only thing about the shoe, but I think these are clean, man. And on the back, what's going on here on the back? You have this foam-like material on the back as well. Normally it would be leather over here. No, it's like a foam material here on the back of the sneaker as well. So there's a lot of off-white inspiration I see on the sneaker, and a very loud and vibrant pair of Jordan 1s. These will sell out. The hype is there. The demand is there. Make sure you guys try to cop a pair for retail. You got a black outsole. The midsole is in that cream color as well. That sail color, just like the tongue. And then you have the white mid panel and white toe box, black leather swoosh on both sides. These are very, very dope, man. I really do like them. On the inside, you got the Nike Air branding with that Volt. Very, very dope shoe. These are clean, man. I like them a lot. I think these are going to do pretty well day of release. There'll be some resale, nothing too crazy, but over time, I think people will definitely kick off on this shoe over time. Right now, it might be a sleeper Jordan 1, even though it is a Jordan 1, they will sell out and all that. Demand is not that crazy, right? Resale's not going to be too crazy on this sneaker, but over time, I could definitely see them going up, man. These are dope. Very, very dope shoe. Let me know what you guys think about them down below in the comments. Are you picking up the Volt Gold Air Jordan 1 this Saturday, January 9th, 2021? The first release from Jordan Brand in 2021. The sneaker does also come with some extra black laces, and you do have sail laces on the sneaker already. So extra lace option there in case you want it. Very, very dope, man. One thing I really like about these is the color blocking. Of course, the black toe color blocking, right? You got the black, you got the white, and then you have the colors on the back. Volt Gold, very dope shoe. You know, the inverted materials, inverted tongue tag, just a clean, vibrant pair of Jordan 1s. This is a dope shoe. I'm excited for them to release, and I'm excited to cop more pairs, hopefully for retail this Saturday. Good luck to you guys on Saturday for this sneaker drop. Let me know down below in the comments. Are they a cop, drop? Will you keep your pairs? Will you resell your pairs? Let me know down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to enter in the Court Purple Jordan 1 giveaway. I'll leave that giveaway down below in the description. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.